Do you want to know how to see the list of people you have blocked on Snapchat? In this video, I will show you step-by-step instructions on how to find and view your list of blocked users. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on your Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Under that Privacy Control section, you'll see an option called Blocked Users. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you'll be able to see a list of all of the people that you've blocked on Snapchat. As you can see, I blocked Kevin McBacon. If you want to unblock any of these people in your blocked list, simply tap on the X. And that will unblock and remove them from your blocked list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.